Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. I apologize, that vent is very noisy, but it is 17 degrees outside, and I want to review all of these. So I'm not doing my walk around outside. Instead, I loaded the shop, and I'm gonna do all my walk arounds and everything inside. So this is the 2010 Honda Odyssey EXL. This came in on trade today. It is going to auction, has 160,000 miles, but the thing's in pretty darn good shape. Obviously not been detailed or anything. EXL gave you some nice leather, lots of room back here. Looks like there's nothing in there. But hey, power door still works. Powered by the Honda 3.5 liter V6. Has a great sound to it. Tons of storage everywhere. Look at that. I don't even know if this works. Why? Yeah, there you go. So that's working. Absolutely nothing in there. Did find window sticker from when this was purchased for the second owner. Third row 60/40 magic seat. Huh. Does have heated seats. You got vents and everything. Ooh, cup holders. Not an ashtray. Go ahead, wind up that window. Do this real quick. Just because I have the keys and everything. Door version on. Yeah, no. Yeah, power steering's a little noisy. But you know what? It's fine. For my headlights. There you are. Let's go for a drive. Rear tires are very worn. That's gonna make that noise. Once you're cruising, it's really comfortable. I honestly am pretty impressed with it. I had never driven this generation of Odyssey, so pretty cool to get the opportunity to drive this thing. There is a buttload of power. But you're cruising on the highway, nice and comfortable. I love this era of cars because you have the green glow. In this case, it's like almost kind of turquoise. Was the biggest thing. Every car had a green glow to the gauges, and it was just such a cool ambiance. And it reminds me so much of my childhood because I was born in 1999, so I grew up in this era of cars. So a lot of my memories in cars come from this era of backlighting. There's a CD in this thing. Now, tune. There we go. Porsche. All in all, man, I miss this era of car, and this one's in great shape too. I believe it was only 2 owners. And let's try kickdown. Oh, that 3.5, so much torque. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.